We always use printers for our schoolworks and it has a big role in our studies. But there are also different types of printers suited for accomplishing different tasks. Here are some examples. Laser printers. The laser printer was developed by Xerox in the 1960s when the idea of using a laser to draw images onto a copier drum was first considered. Laser printers are still widely used in the large offices as they are traditionally more efficient than inkjet printers. Next is the solid ink printers. Solid ink printers utilize a unique form of ink technology designed to save space and money on packaging. The printers melt solid ink sticks during the printing process, a method which can help produce more vibrant tones. Another example is the LED printers. LED printers are similar to laser printers but use a light-emitting diode rather than a laser to create images on the print drum or belt. Due to their fewer moving parts, LED printers are often considered more efficient and reliable than laser printers. Our most popular LED printers are produced by OKI. One of the most common types of printers is the inkjet. Inkjet printers are one of the most common types of printers used in both professional and domestic settings. Developed in the 1950s, inkjet printing technology is still hugely popular today due to its numerous advantages and minimal drawbacks. Another type of printer is the multifunction. Sometimes known as all-in-one printers, multifunction printers are often capable of performing printing, copying, scanning, and faxing tasks. This can simplify the completion of multiple tasks within an office or domestic environment with no need for more than one unit. Next is the all-in-one inkjets. Combining the technology of inkjet printing with the functionality of a multifunction printer, all-in-one inkjet printers are capable of providing full service to a busy office environment whilst retaining the high-quality prints that inkjet is known for. Next is the dot matrix. Dot matrix printers are the oldest established type of printers still available on the market. Images and text are drawn out in tiny dots when a print head strikes an ink-soaked cloth against the paper in the required pattern or formation. Lastly is the 3D printers. One of the most exciting developments in printing technology history. 3D printing is becoming more affordable for professional and domestic users.